Hey, welcome back to Pierce Family Wellness YouTube channel. If it's your first time, welcome. Today we're going to talk a little bit about fascial flow, and more specifically the flow of water through fascia. So I'm out behind my gym here. It's I don't even know how cold it is, maybe 20-some degrees here in Denver, Colorado. And it was fairly cold last night, so part of the pond out behind me froze, and part of it did not. So we're going to use that as our example. So we're going to pretend this is our glute muscle, and it looks a little bit like a glute, and we can point that out with some arrows in the video. But what I want you to take notice of is the water flow. So we can see here where the water's a little backed up, it's curling back on itself, almost a lemniscate. That's another conversation. And then if we follow it down a little bit, we can see a pretty steady flow coming down and through. So what we want to focus on here is kind of this restriction. So we see there's a decent flow coming through here, but it's backed up on itself because it's a little too thick through here. And then we look and we can see it flowing really nice down and through. So let's just say that this is kind of where your sciatic nerve gets stuck, yeah? Since we're talking about the glute. So the sciatic nerve's coming down and we see all the electrical flow, but it's blocked, so that's stuck on itself. And then we see where it frees up again. So what we would like for our body, for our sciatic nerve, is for this to flow. So say what's not flowing through here is electricity, is energy, however you want to look at it, but it's blocked and we're not getting muscle function in this area, we're not getting lymph drainage, blood drainage. So what we can do is we can use stretches, specific stretches like myofascial stretches, to break up the local tissue. And then we can do things like the ELDOA to separate the nerve, or where the nerve comes out, to open that up. So let's just say that our ELDOAs and our stretching can break up that area, and we see all the water flow in this case. Now imagine that's neural flow, imagine that's blood flow, and you've got some healing for your hips. So kind of the short and skinny of it is, you need to do stretching, you need to do specific stretching for each part of your body that may be stuck or congested, and then you need to do some ELDOAs to open up the nerve roots that flow down and feed into that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give it a nice thumbs up. Thank you.